Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky.
Alright, here we go, Splash Mountain, Disney World. Haha. Drain pipe over there, and the holding pond's full. Dang. Hard to pedal. Drain pipe over there, completely covered. Holding pond's full. Let's head up the road. Yeah, not that bad up here. Yeah, sure it was flooded earlier when it was coming down, but now it's pretty calm. Here's chest deep downtown. And there's supposed to be more coming too. Let's see if that guy can make it. Wow. Dude's got his sprinklers going as if the rain wasn't enough. How about let's water the lawn? Yeah, this is the worst it's been since Hurricane Ivan in 2004. That's crazy. Frogs are enjoying it.
Well, I love a rainy night, such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips. In the moonlight shadows, showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day, 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear the thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good. Well, I love a rainy night, it's such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips.